Hello, we are on day 2 of the DreamLife Gratitude Challenge. Let me get it right. So this is a challenge which I just felt led to start for myself, focusing on what I'm grateful for, because there are often times that I could just focus on what I want to have or what I wish I didn't have, but I want to be intentional and I want that to stay forefront in my mind of what I am grateful for. So for 7 consecutive days, I will be sharing with you all a topic in which I'm grateful for. And if you would like to join me, you can comment below on any of my videos in which you're grateful for, or you could post on your own page and you can add the hashtag DreamLife Gratitude Challenge. And on Thanksgiving, I'll be choosing someone who participated and offering them a free ticket to my vision board workshop happening on December 5th from noon to 4 at Hotel Indigo in Houston, Texas. So you do have to be in the area to join. But nonetheless, let's get into it. So today's topic, in which I'm so grateful for, although it really hurts when I'm going through it, is growth. So growth is one of my top 3 values, and my friends and I have a common saying when we look back on things and we reflect, and often we end it with, thank God for deliverance, because we are able to see things back then from a completely different perspective, to where if we had the choice back then, more than likely we wouldn't have wanted to change. We wouldn't have wanted to grow, because many things that I've gone through and am going through, growth just doesn't feel good. It hurts. It's literally pruning my mindset, my flesh, my desires, my everything. It could be relocation, it could be change of jobs, it could be loss of relationships, it can be literally everything that I'm comfortable with leaving me and stepping out into the unknown. So when I think of growth and why I'm so grateful, it really sums down to wanting to be the best that I can be at the end of the day, and understanding that I don't know how to get there. I understand it's a step-by-step process, and if I focus on the end goal, oftentimes I'll miss the steps along the way. So a lot of it for me has to do with my faith and just trusting God, meaning I control what's within my control, and I leave worry and I leave anxiousness to the wayside, and I take care of what's right in front of me. And I trust that everything that I go through in life is to grow myself and to glorify God. And that is how I keep going, and that is why I'm so thankful for growth. And I could keep talking, but hey, we have 5 more days, so I'll carry on my next topic tomorrow. If you have any thoughts on growth or how growth has shaped your life, maybe you're going through something and want to share, feel free to comment below. And I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks.